Today I am reviewing the Make Easy Coil Spiral Binding Machine. I got this for my small business, but it's also perfect for people who work from home, teachers, anyone who has to bind documents or wants to make journals, notebooks, or coloring books. This machine has a max binding capacity of 500 sheets. So you can do 500 regular paper sheets, a max punch capacity of 15 sheets, and that's if the paper thickness is around 20 pounds. I'm using cardstock, so I can only get between 5 to 10 sheets, but that's still good. I got this from Amazon. It was $150 US dollars. I will have the link in my description where you can get one for yourself. And this is me testing it out. I got the one without the adjustable pins, but if I were buying this again, I would get the upgraded version. If you have the adjustable pins, then it makes it so much easier to do smaller projects because you don't have to use all of the holes available. So for this one specifically, it went all the way to the edge, and I would have loved to be able to turn off some of the hole punches so that I could have borders on each side that were not punched. I'm using cardstock for this project. I'm doing a mini coloring book. It did go through a decent amount of pages. I got between 7 to 10 cardstock pages. The binding machine I had came with a box of coil spirals to test out. You want to measure your coil to match the size of your project. I always am going to cut a little bit extra just so that I'm safe and I know that I have enough. And now I'm cutting the wire down to size. I have to learn how to do this. This was not as easy as it looks. I'm really struggling with this part. But once you get the hang of it, I'm sure this would be very efficient. And then it comes with a set of pliers to close off the project, to close off the wire so that it doesn't move around. And this is the final result. I love how this turned out. I could have used a larger wire. I used way too many pages. So that was my fault. That's not the error of this product at all. I recommend this if you are a teacher or an entrepreneur. So again, I got this from Amazon. You can find it in my Amazon storefront, linked in the description. Hope you liked this video and learned something from it. I would love if you subscribed. Thank you.